just like this. Then stick around, subscribe to the channel and follow my mass gain series, and let's grow together. Today we're gonna train our chest. But before that, I want to show you my pre-workout routine, which consists of me taking some supplements. It's actually just creatine, some amino acids. But also, I don't use it because I have an injury per se, but I use it just to add another layer of warming up. Alright, time to get this show on the road. It's about 9 p.m. It doesn't matter, we're not making any excuses. We're here to train our chest. Had a really busy day with clients, work, and the work is not done. We still have to create some content for you, my lovely subscribers, but also I still need to train my chest. So let's combine these two, make some good content, let's get a good pump, let's get some good advice and good information out there, some good motivation and stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's gonna be my last warm-up set before the big set. So with this one, we really want to focus on doing some really good reps. It's not about how many reps you do. I don't even count them, to be honest. I don't care. Just doing a few reps, making sure I squeeze the muscles properly, I activate the muscles, because the main sets, those are the ones that matter, which will be coming in the next second. Yeah, you see, that's what I'm talking about. I've done 13 reps. It's all a mindset, but it definitely felt heavier. Yeah, that was 8 reps. This is the set that separates the men from the boys. Yeah, a little bit tired, but just gotta give our best, because it's not the first rep or the first set who has the most impact on your body. It's actually the one which you struggle the most. So you want to invest a lot of focus and energy into that last set, because it will make the difference between you getting the result that you want and not. Let's take a moment to focus. Yes! Super pleased with my first exercise. I did 10 reps, so you know, what else can I ask? That was really good. Another main focus on this workout will be just keep it simple, in and out, because it's already late, it's been a long day. Don't want to spend here all evening. Third and final set, 34 kilograms. Normally, during my chest sessions, I would start with the incline and I would go super heavy on that. But because I have most of the time no one to spot me, I tend to leave this for the second exercise. So I'm going to start with the flat because I can get myself in the position much better. And then I'm going to do this exercise with a little bit less weight. But because I've been pushing some heavy weights on the first exercise, my chest overall is a bit fatigued and I don't need to use as much weight on my incline chest. But 100%, don't skip it. If your upper chest is a little bit weaker, start with upper chest, prioritize that. And that's how you build basically a proper chest. Lots of people don't do that. '40s, baby. Let's go. Fucking benches, man. Just hate these benches. So annoying, man. Almost fucking dropped this on my head. Because this shit doesn't move separately, it just moves with the whole bench. Usually I would adjust this all the way up. Freaking ridiculous. Who are these people who are designing the benches? Gotta have a chat with them. And as I said, simple yet effective transition. Same bench, same exercise. I mean similar exercise. Just gonna go to do some flies. So as you saw, I've done a little bounce at the bottom just to increase the tension on the muscle, because I just want to keep this weight. I'm not going to go any heavier. I think there's enough stress on the joint and ligaments for this session, so I'm just going to keep it a little bit lighter but focus more on the form and on the mind-muscle connection. But as you can see, really good pump so far. I'm going to finish up with a combination between the pec fly machine and I'm going to superset it with this, the machine chest press. It's very important here how I angle my body, because I don't want to hit the same areas. I want to hit more of my lower chest. So that's why look what I'm doing. I'm just going to slide forward a little bit to expose my lower chest. And from here, you mimic doing a decline press.